Welcome back, Himalayan singing bowl and trading Pokhara, Nepal. So today I have one more beautiful gift from nature, the master ball 19-inch full moon golden color. So this is also very nice. It is 19-inch, so it means 48 centimeter. It is actually very nice and deep sound on it. It's 7 metal, handmade and made in full moon time. So you can stand inside to do your foot therapy, foot massage. And this is also very nice for the sound healers. If they already have the set of 7, they can always use it for sound therapy. And also beautiful sound with the black sticker like this. And the beautiful part of this journey, you can always feel water inside. So the vibration will be very nice. And also you can go inside, do the beautiful experience on it. This is a pure handmade product, so if you are interested to buy something like those authentic directly from Nepal, please connect with us in our social media. So we have always the worldwide delivery and authentic product with us. Thank you very much for watching and keep on watching. Thank you.